In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MetaMask to CoinMarketCap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though you can theoretically connect CoinMarketCap to MetaMask, you won't be able to connect them directly to each other in the same way that you would connect it to a DEX or a DApp for transactions. However, you will be able to integrate them together by adding tokens to MetaMask from CMC. So when you are in a specific tokens page on CoinMarketCap, you will usually find the contracts option. In there, you will find the MetaMask icon where you are able to connect them together. This process can also be done through MetaMask itself. So open the MetaMask extension, and in here, choose the Ethereum mainnet or whatever network you are using. Once you click on this, you will be able to find the option to add networks. So choose Ethereum mainnet or any other one and then add network. By choosing Add Network, you will find the option to add a network manually. All that you have to do now is connect a specific network that you would like to use in conjunction with CoinMarketCap manually. And by doing this, you will be able to find the option to add a specific token from CoinMarketCap to MetaMask. So all that you have to do is input all of these details here. So you will have the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and an optional block explorer URL. Input all of these details and you will be able to connect them together. Once they are connected, you will be able to see them in conjunction and integrated with each other. And if this doesn't work, then double check all of the details. As long as you are able to fill out all of the necessary information, you can connect them with each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect MetaMask to CoinMarketCap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.